Word cloud is a text exploration method that shows all the frequently occurring words together as an image. Size of the word determined by the frequency of occurrence of the word. The first step of text exploration is to import libraries. The second step is to import the dataset. The third step is to tokenize the text into a list of tokens. Then, normalize the tokens by removing non-alphabetical tokens, single character tokens, tokens with consonants only, and the stop words. If a gigantic dataset is used, removing these tokens may improve the speed of the model significantly. Post-tagging referring to tag the word with their part of speech position. For example, nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Lemmatization return the word to its best form. For example, houses to house. After tokenize and normalize the text, we obtain a list of clean tokens, which are ready to be plugged into word cloud. We can generate unigram word cloud according to their part of speech position. For example, this word cloud is created with verbs only. To create word cloud for n-gram, for example, bigram and trigram, we need to use count vectorizer to transform the text and calculate the frequency of each n-gram. Then, we need to create a dictionary from the text and then use the dictionary to generate the word cloud. N-gram word cloud shows more insight if compared to the unigram word cloud. Okay, this is the end for the word cloud in 100 seconds. Continue to watch the video for a word cloud case study. The following are the word cloud created from a dating apps dataset from Kaggle. The dataset contains the user answer to the 9 questions shown up here, but the questions are displayed in a different sequence for every user. So, we cannot determine which question the answer belongs to. Let us start with unigram. For unigram, every single word is a token, and the size of the word in the word cloud reflects its frequency of occurrence. Nouns, adjectives, and verbs carry more insight if compared to other parts of speech. Create the word cloud for different parts of speech can show a better insight. For example, from the nouns word cloud, you can see that the users mention love and book frequently. Then, from the adjective word cloud, you can see most of the words used are with positive orientation, while for verbs word cloud, it is hard to make any statement with the verb solely. Next is n-gram. Every n number of words are counted as a token. For example, bigram are referring to a 2-word tokens, trigram are referring to a 3-word tokens, so on and so forth. Generally, the average frequency of occurrence for unigrams will be higher if compared to the bigrams and trigrams. Hence, to avoid a meaningful bigram and trigram buried under the unigrams, we shall create word cloud for unigram, bigram, and trigram separately. The bigrams that caught my eyes are sense humor, watch movie, and hip hop. Considering the texts are from a dating apps question, we may assume people are looking for a match with a sense of humor. Based on the trigrams, we can see that the users of dating apps are looking forward to meeting new people and try new things. Also, from the trigram, there are 2 popular drama series at the time, which are The Eternal Sunshine of Spotless Mind and The Big Bang Theory. Based on the 4gram, we can still see the name of the popular drama series, The Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Also, 4gram like make people feel comfortable. However, there are meaningless 4gram occur. For 5 grams, the meaningless repeating words increase. Only a few 5 grams are meaningful. N-grams help us to understand the text better than unigram, because unigram might be confusing and the meaning might change when the word attached to a unigram change. For example, low quality and good quality. However, the higher n-gram word cloud is not necessary to be better because the longer the phrase, the smaller chance it will be repeated. This also brings to another point why text exploration is essential in certain cases. Imagine you are exploring reviews of a furniture store. If you are doing topic modeling, you may get the general topic people are discussing, like the chair, table, cupboard, and so on. With text exploration with word cloud, You may know the phrases people mention frequently in the review. For example, good paper quality, slow delivery, etc. Lastly, we may face a situation that we need to go back to text processing phase. For example, frequently shown by meaningless tokens that found during text exploration in 5-gram workload. Reviewing them may reveal the insightful tokens hiding under them and further reduce the time to train the model. That's all for the word cloud case study. Thank you for watching to the end. You may find the link to the dataset in the description below. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button, like and share. Bye!